Problem number 2 for ratio and proportion. An alloy is made up of metals A and B in the ratio 2.5:1 by mass. How much of A has to be added to 6 kg of B to make the alloy? So, parang ganito lang yan. Is to B and 2.5:1. So, ang pinapahanap dito is A, tsaka binigay yung 6 kg for B. Then, ang gagawin lang natin is ratio and proportion lang yan. So, 2.5:1 or pwede lang yung 2.5 na lang yung natira. Kasi 1 lang naman yan. So, multiply both side para remain yung A natin. So, multiply both side by 6. Magka-cancel ito. Tsaka, multiply yung dalawa. 2.5 times 6 magiging 15 kg. Ito yung answer, problem number 2. Then, problem number 3 tayo. Divide 6 to 1 cm in the ratio of 3 to 7 to 13. So, this problem no is the same lang din sa problem number 1. So, add lang natin itong tatlong ratio na binigay plus 13. Makukuha tayo ng 23. Then sa 6 to 1 is divide natin sa 23. So, then multiply natin by 3. 6 to 1 naman, divide natin ng 23, multiply natin ng 7. Tsaka yung isa, 6 to 1, divide natin ng 23, tsaka multiply natin ng 13. So, it is equal sa 6 to 1 divide 23 times 3 is equals to 81 cm. Pangalawa naman is ang result nito is 89 cm. 189 cm. Last is 351 cm. So, this is the final answer. Thank you. That's it.